Hey, here's a cool idea. An easy way for you to create your own whiteboard. Let me show you how I did it. Now, you can use plain white vinyl, or as I prefer to do, I created this artwork on Adobe Illustrator. For me, a daily planner is very crucial to plan out my busy day. That's why I'm going to use this background that I designed, and I'm going to print it out to use it as a backdrop on my whiteboard on white vinyl. So in that way, I can make use of my whiteboard marker to see me through my daily planning. I've saved my artwork to the USB and I'm gonna head off to the printer. Because I'm using a fairly large print, I've opted to use the wide format printer. After I've set it up, I get my printer ready and print. Now, again, if you are not going to be using a print, you are still going to be needing the white vinyl for the next step. And while that's printing, we can go and prepare our board. As you can see, I'm using an old signboard which had no use. Now I am actually giving it use. But you can use any board of your choice. The most important thing is for the board to be extremely smooth. Now the reason for that is so that you can get the smoothest finish on your vinyl application. I think the print is just about done. Let's go get it. So for this step, we are going to laminate our vinyl, be it printed or not, using lamination vinyl or clear vinyl. Alright, cool, here's the lamination done. Now let's go apply it. So, I've already pre-cut the board to size. Now let's apply the print. All I have to do here is peel off the backing from the vinyl and start applying it to the board while using my squeegee to remove all the air bubbles as well. And there you go, presto, the whiteboard. Now let's see if it works. And how's that for a cool idea? Do you have any cool ideas? Do you want exposure on this platform? Just give us a call and we'll sort you out.